Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So basically, after a few fuffing around, after a few fuffings, I've gone out and got myself one of these crank release or puller. It's called a park tool. If you want yourself to get yourself a professional one, it's gonna cost you around 15 to 20 bucks. But if you just want a super basic one, I found some at Walmart for like $5, you know. So basically, this bit's gonna go into that crank, into that threaded crank pedal, and then later that bit's gonna push it out. So without further ado, let's see how this really works. Of course, I've never done this before, and so when I went to get the tool, the fella said it's pretty simple, but just to make sure, what you want to do is you want to kind of like get the entire thread, to make sure that the entire threading goes all the way onto the thread, because you may be able to pull, you know, like pull it out. So okay, this is the hard part, because you basically got to get past this pedal here, and okay, we're halfway there. Okay. Yeah. Well, okay. Well, that's for as far as she's gonna go. Well, it's separated quite a bit already. What I need to do, I think, is fix that pedal to the frame. I think that might be the easiest. That's how I kind of saw it done on the video. Or let me just continue. Yeah. Of course, this has been on there for about 7 years, guys. So, that's gonna be a bit of a challenge. Now, let me just get some decent gloves here, and that should make the job a little bit easier. So in case I slip, I've got some protection on me. See, it's just about pressure. And see the angle here? And then having that pedal there makes it rather obtuse. And then the bike frame moving too. I think that's as far as she's gonna go. I guess if we can get a proper wrench here on the job, we could maybe okay. Let's see if we can grip it with that. Oh, it's a little too big. Okay. Vice grip. It's a little too big, that's a little too small. That's a little too big, that's a little too small. Okay. See, got the vice grip on there real good and ready, guys. But, see, this pedal, we might just have to remove this pedal. So, guys, let me find, I think that might be an Allen key number 6, I would believe. So, yeah, guys, let me quickly get that, and then I'll remove the pedal, and then we should be in business. All right, guys, so hasta la ciao ciao, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.